Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. If you are new to my channel, you are so welcome. For those that keep coming back, thank you so much. So guys, on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix and wrap bridal hair. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly click on that subscribe button, and when you do, remember to click on the notification bell because that will help you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, to start with, I'm going to go ahead and part the hair C shade. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and section another hair beside the C shade and weave it. I'll do that on both sides of the C shade. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding the hair. It's not going to be too big, it's not going to be too small. I believe by now we all know how to braid. And if you want a detailed tutorial on how to braid, please kindly drop a comment for me. Remember to always support this channel to grow by sharing my videos, giving me a thumbs up, and dropping a comment for me on the comment section below. I really want to know what you think about this tutorial. So guys, when you are done braiding, this is how the hair is going to come out. Then after that, you will go ahead and sew the remaining one at the back. So the hair I'll be using for this tutorial is Daniela from Expression, and the color is color 1, which is black. I think they've rebranded their products, this particular one Daniela, because normally it was 1 in a pack, but now it's 2 in 1 pack. So that means 1 pack can make a full hair for you. So guys, when you are done, you are going to go ahead and start fixing the hair. To start fixing, please start under where you stopped your braid at the back. Don't start on top of the braid immediately. So guys, at the finishing point, this is how you should sew your hair to make it look neat and flat, so that you don't have that rough finishing. This is a well detailed tutorial for you. So watch my hands on the screen and you get what I'm doing at the finishing. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more hair to make it look neater. See the way I'm picking it from the edge. This will make your finishing to look beautiful. So guys, when I'm done with my fixing, I will go ahead and loosen the ones I braided earlier, cream it, and use my stretcher to stretch it to make it look more relaxed onto the hair. After that, the next thing I'll do is to use my hand dryer and brush. Mind you, don't bring it too close because it's a synthetic hair. Put your hand dryer very far. Then you brush it. This will allow the hair to look more relaxed. So when I'm done, I'm going to section the hair into 3 parts, starting from the front. Then I'll use my hair clip to secure it. So I'll finish doing that. Then the one at the back, I use my rubber band to hold it. Then it's time to bring in my hair pad. Please, skulls differs. Some have big one while others have small skull. So before you use your hair pad, what you will do is to measure it first after you might have cut it. Measure it with the person's skull. If it's too big or too small, then you know how to handle it. As for me here, I had to cut the hair pad. In order to match the size of the hair I'm working on. So I'm using 2 pads here. After that, you go ahead and use your black pin to secure the pad together with the natural hair. That will help you to work on the wrapping very well. Pin both sides. After you are done with that, go ahead and comb your hair, then spread it on top of the pad. Make sure it covers very well before you start your wrapping. Comb it. So when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and use my black pin to start securing the hair. Any particular place I secured, I will insert the remaining under the pad. Comb it very well. Make sure it covers well before you pin. So the remaining one should go under the hair pad. I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and comb it, brush it. Brushing it will make it look more neater. Push the remaining one under the patch. So I'm done with the first section of the hair. Working on the second one. So if you are wrapping any hair, you have to look at the bride's face to know what fits her most. I'm going to go ahead and start rolling the rest of the hair. When I roll, I'll use my black pin to secure it. Make sure you use the rolling ones to cover the rubber band. Remember to use your spray. As for me, the spray I use is Nova Gel spray and Care Time Oil Sheen spray. So I'm working on the final section of the hair, which is the front one. Go ahead and brush it very well. Then I'm going to braid it backward. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Nova Gel spray on it. After that, I'll mix black gel and hair cream, apply on it to make it shine. Then I'll take it backward and pin it. So guys, this hair is ready. I pray you love this tutorial. If you love this tutorial, please support your girl. Share it with your family and friends and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you want to see more of this bridal hair tutorial, drop a comment for me. Thank you guys for your support. I love you all. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. so loud as the hours